Hi, my name is Cecilia Alcock, and pollution needs to end because we are killing our Earth in ways we did not realize, and if we do not stop, we will not be able to see our Earth grow and change over time. Humans are degrading land and freshwater systems, emitting greenhouse gases, and releasing vast amounts of agricultural chemicals into the environment. Removing trees and other plants to increase areas of cultivation causes habitat loss and threatens the survival of numerous species of animals and plants. Large-scale farming of animals increases their susceptibility to diseases that are life-threatening. These are all reasons why we need to stop, and we need to think about what we do before we do it, because we all want to see the Earth change over time. So now you may ask, how should I save the environment? Well, if you pay close attention to these next instructions, you can help. 1. Pay attention to how you use your water. Do not waste. Once you turn on the water, turn it right back off after you're done. If you're brushing your teeth, get your toothbrush wet, turn off the water, brush your teeth, and turn the water back on. But you need to help and save the environment by helping and not wasting water, because that is a big part of Earth. And we, as humans and other animals and plants, in fact, need that water to live. Two, leave your car at home if possible. Whenever you are driving, your car needs gas, and your gas helps your car run. And while your car is running, at the end, there's a pipe, and it lets out pollution. And it is going up into the sky and not allowing us to have cold winters anymore because of this pollution. It's also the same as big trucks. You can mostly see it in big box trucks because you can see the black gas flowing out of the pipes, but you can't really see it with actual cars. But it is all the same thing, just different gasolines. Three, walk and or ride a bike to work, school, if you're going out with friends, etc. If you walk and ride your bike, first of all, you are getting more fit, which is a benefit. And second of all, it is saving our environment by not putting all those gases into the air, and it will help a lot within our Earth. Number 4, recycle. If you do not recycle, we put trash that is unrecyclable into pretty much a huge mound. And if you go to the dumpster mound where all of the local trash goes, it is absolutely horrifying to see how much trash we put out in the world. And if you ever drive alongside the road and you see plastic bags blowing around or cups flowing in the wind, it is a big deal because animals can get caught in that and die and suffocate. And it is very sad to go and see all this trash that is laying around, because that is not what the Earth should be consumed and made up of. So if you recycle, you won't have to deal with seeing as much trash along the roads. And personally, I think companies that make food in containers or in chip bags, it should all be recyclable so we can put it out and we can reuse it. Five, compost. If you are unaware of what compost is it is pretty much whenever you eat a banana, you have the banana peel left over. And instead of putting it in the trash, you can put it in a compost bucket, and you can put it out and you can build your own compost bin, and you can put it out and put it in a big bin where it will disintegrate and you can use it as soil fertilizer. And along the lines of soil fertilizer, the next one is, number 6, is grow your own fruits and vegetables and any other food you can grow to help reduce pollution from cars. Because whenever you go out to the store, you're driving to the store, you are using your car. And if you grow your own fruits and vegetables, first of all, you can know that there isn't not as much chemicals as there would be from the store. And 2, it's more fun. It is a lot more fun if you have time on your hands to go out and garden and grow your own fruits and vegetables. And if you use the compost, you can have more soil fertilizer, natural soil fertilizer from any fruits or vegetables or anything that you have put in the compost. Ecology is the branch of biology that deals with the relation of organisms to one another and to their physical surroundings. So ecology is very important to our environment because ecology helps evolution happen. In order for an organism to go and evolve and go through evolution, the organism needs to be fit for its environment. So pretty much it needs to be able to adapt to its surroundings. When the organism is fit, it can reproduce. When it can reproduce, their DNA will pass down to their offspring. And that DNA can be changed. There can be mutations that happen when they reproduce. And when the DNA is changing, so is the organism. So therefore, evolution is occurring. So if humans are treating our earth like nothing, just throwing trash out, not recycling, not using compost, then we will not be able to see as much evolution as we can today, and animals and plants will eventually go extinct. In a lake, pollution is a huge thing because the fish and other animals can only live in water. But if the water gets polluted, then the animals will die and we will not have any left. And if we don't have any fish left, the birds won't have anything to eat. And if the birds don't have anything to eat, then the other animals who eat birds, and it's like a food chain. Once the fish are gone, or once the insects are gone, or anything messes up in the food chain, everything messes up. So, us as humans, once the earth is falling apart, everything falls apart. So far, Earth is starting to fall apart, and if we really do not want to see Earth fall apart, we need to help stop this. So everything is a chain reaction on Earth, and if we humans keep up our pollution issues, Earth will no longer exist. It will just be like the moon. It won't have any life on it. And I'm sure if you have kids, and if you are a kid, you do not want to see you probably don't want your ancestors from a long time ago, from this earth that they lived on, to see what is going on with our earth right now, because they will be very disappointed in this generation that is causing Earth to fall apart. So if you heard this message, please reconsider every choice and move you make every day, because it can make a difference.